Hi everyone, I'm Silvia Martins, CEO of Five Validation, with over 20 years of experience in computer system validation. Welcome to our channel. We've created this video series to share valuable insights and answer to some of our clients' most common questions. Here, you'll find a quick and practical validation tips tailored for life science industries. Subscribe now and stay updated on digital validation, compliance, AI/ML validation, IT and OT infrastructure qualification, SAP validation, cybersecurity, data integrity, and more. So, let's dive into today's topic.
Hey Fiverr! Today, let's dive into the world of AI machine learning and talk about a powerful technique called K-fold validation. Could you help us understand this technique?
K-fold validation is a way to check how well a machine learning model works. It helps test the model by dividing the data into smaller parts. Each part takes a turn being tested while the others are used for training. This method gives a better idea of how the model will perform with new data and helps make the testing reliable. The name K-fold comes from the way the training data is split into K parts, called folds. Imagine a dataset shown as dots, red for success and blue for failure. If the sample has n items, the first step is to mix all the data randomly so that everything is well distributed before testing begins. We take our dataset and split it into K equal parts or folds. For example, let's say we choose K as 5. This means we have 5 folds. Next, the model is trained using 4 of the 5 parts, and the last part is used to test how well it works. This process is repeated K times, each time with a different part used for testing. This way, every piece of data is tested once, making sure the results are fair. After completing all K iterations, we can average the accuracy scores. This helps us get a better estimate of our model's performance on unseen data. K-fold validation is useful because it maximizes the data we use for both training and validating our models, reducing the risk of overfitting, which happens when a model learns the training data too well, including its mistakes and noise, so it works great on that data but badly on new, unseen data. The final result is that we will have the accuracy of the model in each partition. So, there you have it. K-fold validation is a great tool to ensure your AI models are robust.
If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, scan the QR code or click the link in the description to read our blog, How to Validate AI in GXP Applications for Life Sciences Companies, packed with valuable insights.
I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.